Hello guys, welcome to A Study with Code. So today's topic will be 5 programs that every graphic designer should know. So let's get started. Graphic designer can be a very exciting job for those who have a good eye for visual aesthetics. To be a good graphic designer, you have to update your skills time to time using new technologies. So in today's video, I'm sharing 5 major software programs that will help you. So the first software is Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign is one of the most important programs for graphic designers. Adobe InDesign is used by professionals, so it is used for creating, editing, and all kind of visual materials. As we know, it is used by professionals, so you can design everything, small postcard, invitations to posters, brochures, magazine, and books. So if you want to be a professional, give it a try. So let's move to the next software, Adobe Photoshop. As you know, Photoshop is one of the go-to tools that designers use to manipulate photos and create graphics. In comparison to other softwares, Photoshop is easy to use. You can also create, edit graphics in the Photoshop. Photoshop is also a high-level program, but you can use it for daily Photoshop stuff. Since it is used for high quality images, you can edit your photos with Photoshop. So here's the third software, Adobe Illustrator. While Photoshop is mainly used for editing images, Illustrator is used for creating vector images, high quality images that can scale up or down without losing any quality. Designer might use Illustrator to create logos, charts, diagrams, illustrations, or graphs. So creating this illustration requires an understanding of concepts like paths, groups, layers, text, colors, etc. It is useful for logo designers, vector designers. So let's move to the fourth one, Adobe Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is Adobe's web development and designing software. This software is helpful for web designers and graphic designers. Graphic designer can design new content, manage existing contents, and write and edit new code. Even it gives you the facility of visualization of the web content while writing the code. So it's an important tool for graphic designers as well. So let's move to the last one, PowerPoint. PowerPoint is not a part of Adobe's Creative Suite, but it's important for graphic designers. Since so many corporations and small businesses use it, as a graphic designer, you may be called on to help a co-worker with their PowerPoint deck. So I am sharing some bonus tips, more useful skills for graphic designers. You can go through the content. So if you find the video helpful, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and comment down below. Till then, bye bye, see you in the next video.